In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the single crochet. It's a very lovely stitch, and it's also one of the basic stitches. So let's just get started right into it. With your hook, create your slip knot and chain as many as you need. So for this tutorial, we're going to do 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then once you have your foundation, you want to chain 1. And in the first chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. So we'll do that again. Insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And we'll do this all the way to the end. And single crochets are very effective. I use these when I end up doing a lot of my stuffed animals or amigurumi. Alright, we're at the last stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through both. Go ahead and give your slip knot just a little bit of a tug, and we'll turn our work. So you want to chain 1 and insert your hook into the first chain. So you'll want to do both of those loops like so. Yarn over, pull through. We'll do it to the next stitch again. Make sure you go in. You'll end up seeing, if you spread it apart, you'll have 2. So it'll be 3 on the hook, but this counts as 1. There we go. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through. And again, we'll do this all the way to the end of the row. We're at the last stitch. You want to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through both. Turn work and chain 1. And just continue on until your pattern ends up being as big as you want it to be. And this is how you single crochet. Again, it's very easy, very straightforward. It's elegant looking, to be honest. I very much enjoy this stitch. And just make sure that if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know what kind of project you'll be doing with your single crochet down in the comments. With new videos being posted every Monday, hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. Have a joyful crochet day.